Hello everyone, welcome to the Celoxis Learning series. In this tutorial, we will see how to create a report in Celoxis. Let's get started. Log in into your Celoxis account. Click on Reports from the LHS menu and then click on the All Reports. Now click on this plus icon. In this menu, you can see the different types of reports which you can create in Celoxis. For now, we will create a project report. Once the type of report is selected, an Add Report page will pop up, and in the Basic tab, we will give a suitable name to our report. You can also add description to your report in this section. Click on Next. Now we are in the Output tab. In the Output tab, you can represent your data in different formats such as tabular, Gantt, card, calendar, metric, pie, bar, line, and scatter. For now, we will stick to tabular. In order to add columns to your report, you just need to click on this plus icon and select the column you want to add. In the same way, you can sort and group your report by just clicking on this plus icon and choosing the column you want to add. Click on Next. Now we are in the Filter tab, where you can add different parameters such as dates, state, and custom fields as filter using this drop-down. Let's set the value of the state filter as active. Click on Next. In the Settings tab, you configure sharing for this report. This function helps you to configure the visibility of this particular report amongst your users and clients. Click on Add Report. As you can see, we have now created a report in Celoxis. For more on reporting, visit the Celoxis knowledge base using the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.